I would have used some wireless headphones. So, I'm going to review this BackBeat Pro 5100. The true wireless. So, in the box, they're Bluetooth. They do 19 hours total hours. They are, and they've got some kind of noise cancellation, which is good. So let's unbox it. Now, the wife said to me, I need some new wireless headphones. So I said, okay, no worries, I'll go try these out. She goes through headphones like they're like, oh, honestly, I bought so many, but that's fine. This way, I'm going to give her some. I'm going to ask if it's a bad or not. So PLT. I have no idea what that is. Anyway, oh, got this interesting figure. No idea who she is. Some kind of model. So, right out of the box. Warning! No, is that caution? Is that what? Oh, that is warning. So that's cool. So, press for 2 seconds. 1, 2. No idea. Okay, cool. To discharge it. Discharge it. Just headphones. So, oh, you get this wee box. I presume that's where they are. Ah, okay. I get it now. So this is basically to open it. Oh, so it's magnetic. So that's cool. So it goes in your ear. So that's cool. And then you get all the adapters, you get the quick start guide, we don't need any of that rubbish, and you get the USB to charge it. Good! And then you get all the connections for your different, so if you like small ears or big ears, you could do that. So that is cool. So, and it has right and left. I'm not going to cut these to my phone because they're from off, but I will put them in my ear. Yeah, they're coming out. Okay, that's good. That's really good. So you can like do a jog or run. That's fine. I don't know. So I presume these need to be charged straight away. So you don't get much for your box. I can't remember how much these were. So I'll have a link in the description where you'll get this exact model. So that's good. So I'll have to work. Are these quite easy to change? It says me. Oh yeah. Very simple to get them off. So you don't get much. So yeah, very simple to get them replaced. Not replaced, but like to fit your ear canal. Ooh, I'm using big words today. Wow. For me, I'm using. So that's good. So you don't get much for your box. So I'm going to speak to her now and see which one she wants. You'll have a quick audio test maybe, and how it's got a microphone. So I have no idea how I'm going to record that. So, but anyway. Oh, why are you? So all of the top buttons are buttons. Oh, that's cool. So yeah, this is just a very quick unboxing of what these are. So you don't get much for your partial, but they're only headphones, so that's good. I like it. I like these quick unboxings. So very cool, really nice. So really nice. So okay, and I'm gonna get going now. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.